Stop snacking on junk, switch to berries instead. Imagine enhancing your health with every delicious bite. Ready to find out how? Berries aren't just delicious, they're also packed with nutrients that can supercharge your health. First off, berries are fiber superstars. Just 1 cup of raspberries has 8 grams of fiber. That's more than a bran muffin. And talking about vitamin C, strawberries have got you covered. Eating just 8 strawberries gives you more vitamin C than an orange. Now, for the sweet surprise, despite their sweetness, berries are low in calories. A cup of blueberries has only 84 calories, making them a perfect snack for weight management. Plus, the antioxidants in berries like quercetin and anthocyanin are not just fancy words. They reduce inflammation and help keep your cells healthy from the inside out. Ever felt a mood boost after eating berries? That's not just your taste buds dancing. Berries help in producing serotonin, a mood-stabilizing hormone, so they literally make you happier. And if you're worried about heart health, berries are your new best friends. Studies show regular consumption can reduce the risk of heart disease significantly. So next time you're at the store, grab a mix of berries and give your body a tasty treat of health benefits.